This particular one, 1965 Buick Sport Wagon Custom. Very interesting car, quite original from the way it would have came back in 1965. Also, the paint color in this would be a champagne mist poly, which was a T code, and this would have actually been that color from top to bottom when it came from Buick back in 65. Interior 149, this would be a saddle trim vinyl interior, still the way it sits. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this interior engine bay, look through still pictures that we'll kind of go over in this video. You can sure check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Let you take a look at the chrome front of this car. Appears the front bumper has been re-chromed. Shows very well. Grille, headlight surrounds looking stock. Missing a little hood emblem, FYI. Paint on it shows well. You can tell it's an older repaint. Still shows well, but there will be imperfections here and there in it. Be a fun one to take to any of your local cruise-in, roll-ins, or shows. Just don't see them like this every day. Now, this particular one, VIN and style number would be 44465, which is going to tell you that it would have been an original third row seat car, which it still has. We'll check out this interior a little closer when we get around to the driver's side. We'll open it up, start it up, so you can hear it run. Speaking of it running, 300 under the hood, V8, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped too, power steering, power brakes, AC. As far as the AC, the compressor does kick on and off. Blows cool but not real cold, so may need a recharge. The compressor is functioning. Come around to the rear. I left the keys back here to show you the rear window also. It is power. It is functioning. Works as it should. Go ahead and roll it down so you can see it. Take a look at this. Got the third row seat folded up, and where you could flip the second row to get in back there easier, or you could fold these all down. Of course, it had the split folding second row, so if you wanted somebody to ride back there and you still needed to haul something longer, you could. And that is all stock the way this car would have came. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You gotta love the kind of the skylight, I guess, if you will. Let's take a look from the inside where you kind of get that little more of an open air feeling back here because of the glass in the roof. Luggage rack on the top, looking very authentic to the way this car would have been going down the road in 65. Once again, you can check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and look up and down the driver's side here too, so you can get a look at that. Again, not really full of nicks, dings, or scratches. It is an older repaint, so I mean, you might find like this here, you might find a couple little imperfections in it, but again, overall, it shows very well. All right, let's open this up, check it out. I want to show you a couple things. Look in the back. It does have power windows also. All the power windows are functioning. Switch there for the one in the rear. Seats have been re-vinyled along the way. Doors close and fit nicely. Looks like a Riviera style front bucket seat. Wipers work. I did not have the radio going, FYI. This would have a tilt column in it. And again, that AC compressor kicks on and off. Fan blows. Just did not get real cold. So let's go ahead and start this up. Let you listen to engine run. We'll check out that engine bay. Here's gas gauge is working. Take a look at the dash. Nice shape. Here how easily it started. Nice running car. Take a look at the headliner. See the visors. It's just something visors for the rear second row seat. In case you got a little sun coming through the roof. That's to say about what you'd expect. 65 Buick Sport Wagon to sound like. Alright, I'm going to pause this just 1 second. Let me get the hood open. I want you to check out this engine bay. Looks pretty original too. Let's go ahead and take a look at that.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. All right, power steering, power brakes. Now, of course, you have the Wildcat insignia up on top of this, and 355, of course. That would be a torque rating that Buick put on the air cleaners. It would not be the size of the engine. AC compressor. Smooth runner. Cool wagon from 1965. Buick Sport Wagon Custom. Give us a call. You just don't see a lot like this. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.